Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a super fun treat for y'all today. As we head into 2026, I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the fun, all the comments, all the love on my channel this year in 2025. It really has meant so much to me. So as a special treat, I have taken all of my, then this isn't all of them, all of my reverse color along cheat sheets, and I've compiled them. There's 18 sets into one bundle on my Coffee page, and it's a completely free download, but maybe it'll make it easier for you to just download all of them and be done with it. And then next year I'll try to bundle more together for you, but just my way of saying thank you. And again, this is 100% free for you. I'll put a link down in the description below, but I really wish all of you a very happy new year and so much happiness in 2026, health, all the wonderful things. So thank you again, and we'll see you next year.